প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, তোমাদেরকে স্বাগতম ডায়লগ ক্লাস 7, a dialogue between two friends about their future plan or aim in life. Suman, good morning friend. Sujan, good morning Suman. Suman, how are you friend? Sujan, I am fine and fit by the grace of Almighty God. What about you? Suman, I am also fine and fit by the grace of Almighty God. What do you think about your future plan or aim in life? Sujan, yes, I will to be a doctor. And you? Suman, I will try to be a teacher. Why do you want to be a doctor? Sujan, it is a noble profession. I want to serve the people of my village. And you? Suman, I will teach my students to serve my country. Sujan, actually, the villagers are not able to be get better treatment, so I will serve them. Shuman, very wise decision. I think you are a man of great humanity. Susan, don't say that. You are also thinking about a noble profession. Shuman, really, money is not everything. We need to be mentally satisfied. Susan, that's fine. I pray for your success. Suman, thank you so much. Take care of your health. সুজন, ওকে, সি ইউ সুন, মেক গড ব্লেস ইউ। ধন্যবাদ শিক্ষার্থী আমার এই ক্লাসটি দেখার জন্য। আর তোমাদের কাছে আমার অনুরোধ, যারা এখনো চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি তারা অনুগ্রহ করে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবে।